stop constantly switching between your tabs like this. Here is how you can split your screen and multitask in Windows 11 using snap layouts. Very first thing is that you need to use this button over here, which is called maximize button. You just need to do is just hover over that place, and you can see these are the snap layouts that you can do with. For example, if you want like this type of snap layout, you can switch here. It's going on just like that. I have opened up like OBS and Brave browser and my Notion here. If you don't like it, you can still hover over there and you can split between two screen as well like this, and you will get the two screen split. And you can still try some different here, like if you wanted to go like cube or like 4x, you can do that as well, but you need to play with your softwares here. I want to put here and there, and still you get one remaining left, which is very good. Here is another keyboard shortcut that you guys can use, which is Windows, and you can use any kind of arrow keys that you guys want. Let's say I wanted to put this Brave browser on left side. I can just, like type on that left button. If you want this on up, you can do that by pressing an up keyboard, like arrow button on your keyboard, and down. And even you guys can press down to minimize this, but make sure you guys are holding the Windows button. If you leave the Windows, it's gonna ask you which next window that you guys wanted to put on other side. Like if I release the Windows button here, you can see that now it is asking which app that you guys wanted to put on other side. Let's go with like Notion this time, and there we go. Now you guys can use this. You can use now Windows and hold left or right key, and you can still play that. You can see that pretty much. And still, if you release Windows button, once again it's gonna ask you. Now this has to go with OBS, and there we go. I can minimize this. I can put this. Sorry, I can't. All right, there we go. Yeah, if this video helps you out on splitting your windows between here and here, drop a like and subscribe if you don't want to miss the next quick tip. Thanks so much for watching.